Hey there, friends on YouTube. My name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe, please. If you've been here before, thank you. My next video is on the Blink, which is, by the way, an Amazon company, the outdoor security camera system. So here we are again. My assistant Fred and myself. As you can see, he's pretty excited with what's in the box. Opening up the box, you'll see all the contents. The main instructions, it's basically one page with a QR code. Make sure you scan that. Smaller warranty card. I'll let Fred have that. First we have the first camera. I purchased the 3-camera edition, by the way. I have 3 cameras. There's a rubber stopper on the back. Take that off. I'll give it to Fred. Then take the tool and unscrew the back. Unscrew the camera itself. The back comes off. And this is how you install the batteries. Comes right off. Okay, then you want to tighten it back up. And then you want to snap on the camera mount, which it snaps pretty tough. And there's, of course, then there's the 2 mounting screw holes for the screws that come with the kit. And we have the second camera and the third camera. 6 lithium-ion batteries are included. They're supposed to last up to 2 years of use, so that's neat. The sync module, and I'll give that back to Fred. He really doesn't want it, but the sync module, USB to power cord, and wall adapter, and that's really all that's in the box. It's 3 cameras, 3 mounts, 6 batteries, and the sync module. That's it. The Blink Outdoor is a wireless battery-powered HD security camera that helps you monitor your home day or night with infrared night vision. With long-lasting battery life, Outdoor runs for up to 2 hours on the 2 lithium AA batteries which are included. Outdoor is built to withstand the elements to help you protect your home inside or out, come rain or shine. Get motion detection alerts on your phone with the option to customize motion zones in the Blink Home Monitor app, so you'll only be alerted when you need to be. See, hear, and speak to visitors with live view in real time and 2-way audio features on your Blink app. It's designed so you can set it up yourself in minutes. There's no wiring, no professional installation required. Mounting the cameras actually took me more time than the actual setup of the entire unit and cameras. Store video clips and photos in the cloud with the Blink subscription plan and save events locally to the Blink Sync Module 2 via USB or flash drive, which is sold separately. You can get 1, 2, 3, 5, or add more cameras to your setup and 1 sync module. With the sync module, you can attach an external hard drive. I'm going to put up the video's current pricing plans in the video. So that's it on the Blink security cameras. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below. And until next time, I'm out.